All right, today we're going to be pulling a harmonic balancer off a small block Ford. This is a little 289 in my Mustang. The procedure is pretty much the same for any car. The puller kit I have here is a power built. I borrowed it from AutoZone, and there's a bunch of different styles available. They're all pretty much the same. All right, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is loosen the harmonic balancer crank bolt. I'm going to turn this one counterclockwise to loosen it up. I've already broke it loose, so we'll just pull that out real quick. Pretty easy. Sometimes you'll have to, I just used a big breaker bar and tap the end of it with a big rubber mallet, or I guess, yeah, one with the hard tips on it, and just popped it right loose. Sometimes they're a little harder. You might need to use an impact. All right, this is almost out. Now I'll show you how to, whoops, I'll show you how to hook up the puller. Got a few different parts to work with here. Everything's included in the kit. We're going to need the bolt to screw into the crank snout. It goes in where we pulled that crank bolt out. We've got the hub assembly. It's 2 pieces. And we got the disc, and we got the bolts that screw into the harmonic balancer itself. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take the crank bolt and screw it in. You want the part with the hex pointing out. In case it gets jammed, you can use a wrench to get it out. I'm going to screw that in until it stops. You don't have to tighten it up or anything. Just hand tight is fine. Alright, now I'm going to throw on the hub assembly. Put this on first. Screw it in until it stops. Alright, that's hand tight. I'm going to take this hub and just run it up till it's just about flush with the face of the harmonic balancer. This one's got a pretty big hole there. Some of them you can probably run that right up and let it touch the face. And my shop light just quit on me. Alright, next comes the disc. I'm going to slide this on. This is a 3-hole balancer, so I'm going to line up. I got 3 holes here. I'm going to line up like that. I'm going to put the bolts in. I'm going to run them in all the way. Video quit working on me there. I like to run these bolts in all the way until all the threads are engaged into the balancer, and make sure I don't pull out the threads. You know, sometimes these things are stupid tight, and you got to put a lot of force on them to get them out. Let's get this going here. All right, I got them all in and got this backed out. It's all snug, ready to put the wrenches on it and yank her off. Okay, let's yank this bad boy off here. Take a wrench. You're going to hold the bolt here. You're just going to turn this counterclockwise. This is actually coming off very easy. I can probably crank this out by hand, actually. Yep. Just work it out. It's a little slow. It's very fine threads. Alright, she's out. Okay, you just need to unscrew the main bolt here, and the whole thing will come out. Be careful not to drop it, especially if you're going to reuse it. I'm putting a new one on, so not really an issue. There we go. Oh, don't forget to remove the stub here.